Hello everyone, this is Vashida. I am studying 5th semester of Computer Science and Engineering. Today's video is about computer network subject and the topic is about research paper on modern network security issues and the challenges. This paper is basically written by Shailaja Pandey, who is from Lucknow, and let's see what's in this paper. The first one is importance of network security, types of attacks and their impact, security measures and tools, and the role of policies and people in the security, and then case study insights like real world applications, and then the challenges in the managing security, coming forward to the future security trends and takeaway for the organizations. So, in this paper, that is a modern network security issues and the challenges by Shailaja Pandey, this paper emphasized the growing importance of network security across the industries due to the increasing number of cyber threats. It also highlights the need of robust security measures, especially in Wi-Fi environments, and provides a case study on the implementing security like in software company, and this case study is about the secure network which has the need for any organizations and also the Wi-Fi threats. And the keywords in these papers are cryptography, security attacks, security measures, security tools. WAN is nothing but World Wide Area Network, security, firewalls, gateway, and intrusion detection. Introduction part of this paper, we can come to know what is or how is the network security is defined. Basically, the network security can be defined as a protection of the networks, and also there is a service from the unauthorized alteration for the provisions of the assurance that the network perform in a critical situations. So, in this paper, they have given that network security design constraints can be summarized as network security attacks, network security measures, and network security tools. Coming to the network security attacks, it can be classified into passive attacks and active attacks. Passive attacks is nothing but involves the observing data without altering. For example, we can take interceptions, which is nothing but eavesdropping or man in the middle attacks. And also we can take the traffic analysis as the passive attacks, which means that analyzing the patterns to infer sensitive data. Coming to the active attacks, it involves sending or modifying data to compromise the security. For example, we can take interruptions and also modification. Interruptions, we know that that is a attack when there is an program running. If we get an error, that is called as interruption. In this, we'll get a DOS attack, that is denial of service attacks, which affects the availability. And coming to the modification, which is nothing but altering the data to compromise integrity. And also fabrication can also be taken as the example for active attacks, which means faking message to deceive the users. Now coming to the network security measures, uh, it says about the following measures can be taken to secure the networks, like using the firewall and proxy to used to keep the unwanted people out from the security for the security measures. And also there are many things that we can use for the security measures. We can see that the strong antivirus, using of strong antivirus software package, and using the wireless connection like robust password, and prepare a network analyzers, and many of the security measures are there. We have to use it in a proper way. And coming to the network security tools, we have n number of security tools like Nmap, Nessus, Wireshark, Snort, and Netcat, Kismet. Coming to the each security tools explanation, Nmap is nothing but a network scanner for the security auditing, and Nessus is nothing but used for a popular tool for scanning network vulnerabilities, and Wireshark is used for inspecting network traffic, and Snort is for detection a signal system to analyze the traffic, and Kismet is for wireless sniffers, like detecting for unauthorized accesses. So coming to the background of this paper, this paper highlights the key contributes to the network security, that is Marine. Focuses on a Marine is an name of a person who focuses on the institution detection, traffic analysis, and network monitoring as a essential security aspects. And coming to the FLOSA is also a name of a person who introduced the grid of security where devices collaborate to ensure the trust and controlled communication. Coming to WHOKE, who defines a security in data network and business operations, and also who says about the PKI based frameworks for secure the wireless communication. It discussed the importance of encryption standards. Example we can take as AES, CMAC, and which are the example for encryption standards, and also proactive measures to tackle new hacking attempts. The proper concludes This paper concludes that layered security strategies combining tools, policies, and collaboration are essential for effective network security management. Coming to the security methods, we have cryptography and firewalls. Cryptography is nothing but cryptography uses encryption and decryption to protect the data. The common ciphers include AES, that is Advanced Encryption Standard. And coming to the firewalls, it is nothing but firewall is nothing but a group of components that collectively form a barrier between two networks. There are basically three types of firewalls, that is application gateway, packet filtering, and hybrid system. Application gateway is the first firewall and is sometimes also known as proxy gateways as shown in the figure. These are made up of the Western hosts, so they do act as a proxy server. We can understand the application gateway in this given diagram, a simple gateway diagram. It says about the this software runs the application layer of ISO or the OSI reference model. The clients behind the firewall must be recognized or prioritized in the order to avail the internet services. Coming to the packet filtering is a technique of firewall whereby routers have the ACL, that is access control list, turned on. By default, a router will pass all the traffic sent through it without any restriction as shown in the figure. And ACL is a method to define what sort of access is allowed for the outside world to have the internal access for internal network, and vice versa. We can understand in this diagram clearly about the packet filtering gateway of the firewall. Coming to the hybrid systems in the firewall, in an attempt to combine the security features of application layer gateway with the flexibility and the speed of packet filtering, we developed the hybrid system, which has the principles of the both. In some of the systems, new connections must be authenticated and approved at the application level. Once this has been done, the remainder of the connection is passed down to the session layer, where the packet filter watches the connection to ensure that only packets that are part of the ongoing are passed. Okay, like this we can know that hybrid systems are combination of packet filtering and also the application layer gate. Now, coming to the security management issue of this network, computer network, this paper identifies the following challenges like enforcing security policy, scalability, and building and affirming high quality resources, adopting technology, and so many issues like uh, explaining about the enforcing security policies. The organization must be struggling to implement the predefined policies effectively. This can be a very big challenge to face by the organization. And coming to the scalability, as the network grows, so does the complexity of the maintaining security also increases. Balancing the security with performance is also important for the maintaining the system security, and also managing multiple security products like integrating different tools without disrupting functionality is also a challenge faced by the network security organizations. An organization do to overcome these challenges? Organization must ensure their security system grow with the business, covering not just the network but also the application like remote access and also a third party connection. They need a comprehensive tools to protect against the various threats like viruses and web based attacks while ensuring the smooth business operations. Web security is a very crucial as most new attacks target only online services. Security solutions should be easy to deploy, offer a secure remote access, and also adapt to our future threats. Lastly, the security must also align with the business process and ensure it is effective without becoming a burden. Coming to the technology options, we have leading security vendors who offer or who provides end-to-end solution that combines the hardware and software to address all the aspects of the network security. And this solution covers both network and as well as the application layer challenges. The key technology includes ASIC based appliances, SSL VPN, intrusion detection prevention systems. Coming to the ASIC based appliances, ASIC is nothing but what is ASI based appliances is a security is shifting from software based tools to specialized hardware appliances, similar to how routers evolved for faster and more reliable protection. Coming to SSL VPN, VPN is nothing but virtual private networks. A virtual private networks with SSL encryptions ensures the secure communication, preventing detection, uh, prevent for the detection and security risk in transmitting the data over the wire in a clear test. Coming to the intrusion, intrusion detection and prevention system, that is IPS. IPS, we can call it as IPS tool, which is used to detect and block the both known and new attacks by dynamically adapting to threat. Next is a WAN security and case study. Case study has the in this case study, author provides illustrating about the security setup of the software from including control access, role-based data access, and security hierarchy. Coming to the future work, relatively reactive security is no longer sufficient, and the organization need to proactive approaches to stay ahead of evolving the threats. Application layer attacks is nothing but the hackers are shifting for web focus on to web-enabled application requiring a new security solution must address both network and application security challenges. So that will be the conclusion of this paper. These are the references that are taken by the author of this paper. Finally, the conclusion is network security is a multifaceted and proactive layered approach to the security, and the security policies must be adaptive and scalable, and employee training and monitoring tools plays a crucial role in maintaining the security, and also future security efforts must focus on preventing attacks like at the application layer and as well as the software layer. This Thank you for watching this video.